Imagine this. You're 5 years down the line, staring at your bank account, realizing you missed out on the biggest wealth-building opportunities of your lifetime. What if I told you 2025 is a turning point, a year that could either make you incredibly wealthy or leave you regretting missed chances? The difference? Knowing where to invest. Stay with me, because ignoring this video could cost you your financial future. Welcome back to the channel where we don't just talk about money, we make it work for us. Today, I'll reveal the top 5 investments for 2025 that every serious investor must know. These aren't just trends, they're game changers that could transform your wealth trajectory. If you're between 18 and 30, this might be the most important video you watch this year. Here's the harsh truth. Most people fail to build wealth because they're stuck playing defense. They save, they budget, but they never take strategic risks. The financial landscape in 2025 is shifting fast, with new technologies and global trends creating opportunities and pitfalls. The question is, will you seize these opportunities, or will you let others get ahead while you stay on the sidelines? Think about this. Every year you delay smart investing, you lose out on compounding. The eighth wonder of the world that's the secret weapon of the wealthy. Let's dive into the investments that could change everything. Investment 1. Stocks in AI and automation. The AI revolution is here, and it's not slowing down. Companies pioneering AI and automation are projected to grow exponentially in 2025. For example, if you invested $1,000 in a leading AI stock 5 years ago, you could have turned it into $8,000 by now. Imagine doing that again, but smarter. Look for companies developing AI tools for healthcare, education, and logistics. Don't know where to start? Think ETFs. They let you invest in multiple top-performing companies at once, spreading your risk. Quick question. Did you know that the AI industry alone is expected to generate $15 trillion by 2030? If that doesn't excite you, check your pulse. Investment 2. Real estate investment trusts, also called as REITs. Buying property isn't the only way to win in real estate. REITs allow you to invest in properties without the hassle of ownership. With the housing market shifting, certain REITs focused on warehouses and e-commerce hubs are booming. Let's break it down. If a REIT has a 7% annual return and you invest $10,000, that's $700 in passive income each year. Compound that, reinvest the dividends, and you're building wealth while you sleep. Miss this, and you miss one of the easiest ways to diversify your portfolio. Investment 3. Green energy investments. The green energy sector is about to explode. With government policies favoring renewable energy, companies in solar, wind, and electric vehicles are the next big thing. Take Tesla, for instance. A $5,000 investment in 2019 would now be worth over $30,000. But here's the trick. Look beyond the giants. Smaller companies innovating in energy storage or carbon capture could deliver massive returns. By 2025, clean energy will be less about saving the planet and more about printing money. But what if I told you there's an investment that could outperform all of these? We'll get there, but first, let's talk about Investment 4. Blockchain and decentralized finance, also called as DeFi. Blockchain isn't just about Bitcoin. It's reshaping how we think about money, contracts, and even identity. DeFi platforms offer high returns through staking and yield farming. Here's a simple calculation. Staking a $1,000 investment at a 12% annual yield could grow to over $1,760 in 5 years. Platforms like Ethereum and emerging competitors are at the heart of this revolution. Think of blockchain like buying real estate. You're not just investing in land. You're investing in the infrastructure of the future. Investment 5. Health and biotech innovation. With an aging population and post-pandemic focus on healthcare, biotech is poised for explosive growth. Think about breakthroughs in gene editing or cancer treatments. Companies working on mRNA technology have already proven they can deliver returns of over 200% in a single year. Want an edge? Research ETFs focused on this sector to spread your bets. Missing out on this is like skipping the early days of tech stocks. So what's the standout investment for 2025? It's a mix of AI and blockchain. Imagine the possibilities when AI automates DeFi platforms or revolutionizes health diagnostics. The intersection of these two megatrends is where fortunes will be made. Waiting to invest here isn't just risky, it's financial negligence. To recap, AI, REITs, green energy, blockchain, and biotech are your keys to financial success in 2025. But here's the deal. Knowledge without action is useless. The window of opportunity is now. If you're serious about building wealth, watch my video on building wealth fast in 2025 linked here. And don't forget to hit subscribe. Why? Because not subscribing means risking financial mediocrity while others build their empires. The choice is yours. Join us and level up your financial game. Let's make 2025 your breakthrough year.